Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe dashboard, view payments and analytics step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type dashboard, Stripe, into the address bar and press enter. Check that the website address is correct and show Stripe to avoid phishing pages. Click the sign in button if you are not already on the login form. Enter the email address you used when creating your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset email steps. If Stripe asks for verification, complete the security check on the screen. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, open your Authenticator app or SMS messages. Enter the 2FA code into Stripe and submit it before it expires. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, choose the correct business from the account selector. Wait for the Stripe dashboard homepage to load fully. Look at the left sidebar menu to see the main sections of the dashboard. Click Payments to open the list of recent transactions. Use the search bar to find a payment by customer email, amount, or payment ID. Click any payment row to open the payment details page. Review key fields like status, amount, fees, and payment method on the details screen. To see refunds, scroll within the payment details and check the refunds section. To view disputes, go back and click disputes from the sidebar if it is available. Now click balance to understand available funds, pending funds, and payouts. Click payouts to see when Stripe sends money to your bank account. To view overall performance, click analytics in the sidebar. Choose the date range at the top right to match the time period you want to analyze. Review charts for revenue, successful payments, conversion, and other key metrics. Use filters to break down results by product, country, currency, or payment method if available. Hover over charts to see exact numbers for specific days or segments. If you need to export data, look for the export option on the relevant page. When finished, click your profile icon and choose Sign Out to keep your account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.